Hello, future certified professionals. Today, we're presenting top 5 Fortinet certifications that are perfect for starting or the advancement in the field of network security. So, let's get started and see how each one of these certifications can set you on your path to success. First up, we have the FCP, FortiClient EMS 7.2, Administrator Certification. This certification is perfect for those who want to specialize in endpoint security management. It validates your ability to manage and configure FortiClient EMS, ensuring secure endpoints. Number 2 is the NSE 4, FortiOS 7.2 certification. It's essential for anyone looking to manage FortiGate devices. This certification proves your skills in configuring, administering, and supporting FortiGate devices, making it a crucial step for aspiring network security professionals. The NSE 7, Enterprise Firewall 7.2 certification. It's designed for those who want to become experts in deploying and managing enterprise firewall solutions. It's a great certification for people with a little experience and knowledge in network security. Finally, the NSE 7, Public Cloud Security 7.2 certification is perfect for professionals aiming to secure public cloud environments. This certification covers a bit advanced concept and validates your expertise in implementing and managing Fortinet solutions in public cloud platforms, making it an excellent goal for those starting out in cloud security. Alright, these were 5 of the most helpful certifications for people that are aiming to get certified using Fortinet certification exams. Each certification equips you with crucial skills that are in high demand. As you know, Pass4Future can help you to practice and prepare using our 100% accurate practice materials. Go on, visit pass4future.com to try our free demo questions and start preparing for the upcoming certification exam.